Alright, I just got it out of the freezer. It's kind of wet.
It is? Yeah. It do look good.
Let's hope I did this right and this thing will work once again. Yes, it did. And I have no this, what the heck? No, it's in Spanish. And scanning. Please work.
Wi-Fi off. Wi-Fi off.
There we go. Wi-Fi off. Wi-Fi on. So pretty simple. You know, just get your stove nice, hot, and ready. Put your pot, using a 3-inch dip pot, about 10 inches wide. You gotta know that. Put your phone in it, flip it over a couple times. You know, it'll be hot, but it'll be good for that. You go ahead, put it in your freezer right here. Wait about 10 to 12, 13 minutes. Come back out, turn it on, and it works!
Yay!
Yay!
Thumbs up.
Alright, peace out. Subscribe. Subscribe, don't forget, and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.